So Weeknews has wrote another post about Sonia on how he was a supportive husband and also a provider. So he's following my post evanhu ari kupostwa nevanhu ma streets, and he also shared on what Chiera said. So Chiera basically said kuti Sonia akaita mistake. She thought she was irreplaceable. She also thought kuti hapana mumwe munhu achauya kumashure kwake, and munongoziva zvekuti unenge uchizviona senge wakanaka and murume achangoramba achingonyengerera till atozonoti haasi kunyengererwa. And Sonia hanzi ndiye akauya nenyaya yake pasocial media. Weeknew akanyarara achishungurudza Weeknew till Weeknew akuzopindura. And Weeknew is actually standing up for himself because he was bullied for years achimira naye musikana uyu. And also musikana uyu akableacha hembe dzaWeeknew. She was the one who was abusive because Weeknew vaitosiya hama dzavo vachienda kusaidi rake iye. Ndo zvakataurwa naChiera. So apa Weeknew responded to that, and also munongomuziva kana akunyora anozviita saint. Hanzi naiye, I couldn't have said it any better. Amai vanotaura chokwadi chemahara chakadai kare kangu ndavatengera Fortuna brand new in. As the unnecessary drama continues to unfold, I came across this video by a lady who gave a very interesting yet painfully accurate perspective on this whole issue. The video captures with shocking clarity the reality that some people only realize the value of what they had after they've already broken it with their own hands. Ndiwo akazvikanyira wega. Hanzi nevakuru takabva neko kumunga hakuna ipwa. What is most unfortunate is that the same person who announced on social media that she wanted nothing to do with me is now the same person now trying to create the impression that I am chasing after her. Well, I understand you. It's called out there. Bad advice from bad friends can destroy even the last bit of good judgment a person may be left with. Shamwari dzinokufurira kuti musiye chero akaenda nabasa ivo vari mudzimba nevarume vavo. She even always had the guts to tell me that even if we separated, there's a long queue of richer, better and more powerful men waiting to marry her. You should have moved on by now if the billionaires who were eagerly waiting to have a piece of you are still in the queue. At least you have now seen their true colors. Like this lady rightfully said, varume vanonyebedzera kukuda uri pamurume wako. Their biggest dream and fantasy is to walk around boasting they slept with my wife and that's all. And Team Sonia, you have every right to support whoever you want, but all I know is that I put up with 7 grueling years of my life trying to be a good man to yet defending this woman even to my own friends and relatives, some of whom had already seen the clear red flags. Even at my lowest point when I had just lost my dear mother and was still grieving, she woke up around 3 a.m. the same day after we had buried my mother and reminded me that my mother did not like her and that she did not like her either, and that now that she was gone she felt free. Those words cut me to the core, and they confirmed to me that I was dealing with someone who was never built to be a good partner for me. Yet despite all that pain, all that mental and emotional abuse, all the emotional blackmail, I remain a good father and support my children. In December, I gave a 2.2 million sent directly into my children's fixed savings account just to try secure their future. Figures that no ordinary man can ever dream of. Whenever she refuses to grant me access to my kids, I have to give her money. Just like last holidays, I had to spend over 300,000 on a holiday with a family, including maids, just to spend a few days with my kids. Now show me any other normal man capable of doing that. Judge for yourself. All my close friends always said, unopinda denga maskati machena dai tiri isu taikarova kakapinda mugwara, and I would reply ndichiti inenda kanzi kumasoyo, only use these blessed hands to sign big deals and count money and never to beat up women. Please also be reminded that there can be no divorce where there was no marriage at law. What we had, as I have previously said, was merely an unregistered customary law union. There are no so-called pending divorce papers to be signed or that I'm refusing to sign. She watches too much TV. The real facade is that she can't swallow her pride and move on. Even her senseless noise around my private jet clearly confirms her ignorance of basic facts around ownership of any assets. I never bought that jet for you nor for Lulu as you imagine. I bought it for myself. It means nothing that I bought it through a family trust that you are a trustee. I'm still buying properties and assets in the name of the same trust which you are a trustee, simply because everything I have belongs to my children and you happen to be their mother. Even if she's still a maid director, it doesn't make her the owner of anything. Please get advice from proper, prominent, experienced, and competent lawyers on the difference between a trustee, a director, or a shareholder. Know these hopeless, poverty-stricken individuals who want to earn a living out of you. I'm not afraid of your shallow threats, which are merely compensatory behavior for bitterness and regret. Why wait till the 26th? She might as well do it today. Say whatever you want to say, make whatever allegations you think you can make to get public sympathy and all attention, but murume haasi kudzoka kumba. Sorry. Kana une rimwe jongwe netsanga dzichibage tipei tibike. Just avoid making baseless accusations and criticism against my church. Kana tozogara izwi iri harituke kana kutsvaga mbiri nekurishora publicly trying to get attention. Izwi iri rakabva kure 1931 ini newe zvese nevabereki vedu tisati tazvarwa. Pane vese vakatuka chinamato ichi vakaita marombe pamazuva avo ese ekurarama. Tuka ini all you want and everyone must believe you, but please leave my church out of this and stop peddling any falsehoods around Joan Masowe. Unotongwa nehwaye. I suggest you acquiesce yourself to this reality and move on. Enough said. Hamurume uyu anogona zvekunyora aiwa tinomupa kana ndofunga kuchikoro aitonzi akanyoronzi pakanzi 3 pages aibudisa 5 kana 6 kana double. Aiwa vanonyora zvavo sevini vanonyora, and I don't know if this is necessary. I don't know, but ndofunga is actually hurt from what Sonia is actually doing. Handizivi hangu kuti apa munopatongawo sei panyaya dzevanhu vaviri ava, because it's now confusing kuti Sonia chaari kuda kuna Sewikino chaari kuti vasaine chii, kana ivo Sewikino vachitaura kuti zveni I have nothing to sign because marriage zvakamira so. Ndamboti ndiende paGoogle nditarise kuti is she entitled or she is crazy as Wikino is saying panapa. Ndaona kuti she is entitled. Ndozviri kubuda panapa, and they consider kuti how long was the marriage, her contribution also both financial and non-financial, that is cooking, child care, supporting your spouse, etc. Iye angatori director of my companies. And then they also consider whether you helped build or improve assets and also the welfare of children. So even if you didn't earn money, your role as a spouse still counts. Murikuzvinzwa. So musikana haasi kupenga kuti ari kuda something out of this, haasi kupenga, but Sewikino vari kuti ari kufanira kutsvaga malawyers manyowana anomuudza kuti what is a director, what is a trustee, what is a what, but hey, it is a trustee. Ipapa mhenoti Wikino anga adyiswa nefoshoro here kana kuti angaita sei, but sisi handizivi hangu kuti can you change a trustee? Amen, I don't know. Handinyatsozviziva kuti zvinofamba sei, but anyway, for now hanzi neubenzi hwake ihwohwo, she's a trustee. And then also zvinhu entitled to, according to Google, it's saying the family home, which she is actually staying, land or property acquired during their marriage, my business interest if she contributed, and also household assets. So she's not crazy at the end of the day. Hanzi kuregister kana kuti chero akati unregistered hazvina basa zvekuti it was unregistered. Murikunzwa nyaya yacho, zvekunzi unregistered hazvina basa, but she is entitled. Ndo zvandingangotaura at the bottom of everything. She's entitled. I don't know what you guys think, but my words are weak neuka. Rege tione kuti achapindura kuti chii, but apa paka hameno. And akabvira kudhara achitaura kuti musikana yakafurirwa akaita sei weird relationship yedu, although it was shaking. Sonia, I don't think kuti murume uyu anomuda. She went through the most, and zvekuti anyatsoti chichi uyu Wikino ndiye anenge akutovhara mahwana ake, otherwise aienda wani kumba uko, aikumbira mahouse keys. Zvatikaona ndakaona machats panapa achiti ari kuda mahouse keys, he wants to spend 2 weeks uku 2 weeks uku, saka anoda kuspenda mumba memuriwo ichirudzwai. Iyewo Sonia futi anetwakewo wedwe, hatingambozomuitewo saint, ko iye chaanga achazoudza munhu kuti iwewe amai vako ndakazodai so apa vabva kuvigwa chichocho. Zvimwe zvacho vakadzi I think kuti tinozonyanyawo zvimwe, and it's a fact I think ekuti akazoregreta later on akona zvinhu zvaWikino zvaakunyatsoita. Yes, zvaiita vari vese, but 2024 yaakaramba Wikino yacho zvakabva zvatotanga kutoita wese. Ndo pakatanga kupiwa vanhu mota 2025, upenyu ukange hwachinja hwaWikino. Mari zvayo sisi I think kuti vari kutoti panapa we have to share. And it may not be 50-50, but they are supposed to share. Anofanira kutowana, but Wikino anozoita kuti aite walk away with nothing. And anofanira kupiwa futi maintenance yaari kupiwa iyoyo. She's got a right yekupiwa maintenance. Ndo zviri according to law, she's supposed to be maintained. So I don't know what you guys think. Let me know. But otherwise, it's going to be a long week. We know this is going to bring receipts. She's going to come with imwe English yakamira uko. Yakadi amene atisingakwanise kuto understand. Hanzi vaitoti nditori nevamwe vanhu vanondida. Ingava anoratidza maflowers kuti anenge ari kutengerwa zvinhu ari kuita sei wani. Anenge ari murelationship one yes one.